everyone, welcome back! Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set up a secure connection using the SOCKS HTTP VPN app alongside SSH SSL tunnel services. This setup will help you protect your online privacy and enjoy safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for SOCKS HTTP VPN. Tap on the app and install it on your device. Once installed, launch the SOCKS HTTP VPN app. Next, open any web browser and search for SSH SSL tunnel. From the results, tap the official SSH SSL tunnel website link. On the website, tap the menu icon to open the navigation menu. Then, select SL Servers. Choose a server location that fits your needs. Create your account by filling in a unique username and password. Complete the reCAPTCHA to verify you're human, then tap Create. Once your account is created, copy all the server details, including the IP address, port, username, and password. Return to the SOCKS HTTP VPN app. On the home screen, tap SSL Settings. Tap the three-line menu icon and select SSH Settings. Enter the server details, IP address, port, username, and password that you copied earlier. Save your settings. Back on the home screen, tap the pencil icon to open Advanced Settings. Enter a valid server name indication, SNI. Then tap Save. Finally, tap the Start button to establish your secure VPN connection. And that's it. You're now connected through SOCKS HTTP VPN with robust security and privacy for your online activities. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching!